Another KTM 890 Duke bike build video. This time, a chain guard from AliExpress. I'm going to see if I can take it off without the gear, removing the gear linkage. So it looks like just 3 bolts. Second one. So seeing that I can't ride the bike because it's rainy, might as well work on it. Third one. There we go. The built up muck. These 2 orange spaces actually go in the rear, okay? So the one goes there on the smaller bolt, and on the second smaller bolt as well. Oh, come on. Yeah, fiddle. Let's see what we do. Uncomfortable. More lock to it. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. First tip, throw the 3 screws from the original chain guard into a bag and just label it and put it away. The one exposed screw hole that's left open, just put the 3rd screw back and put a little bit of Loctite on it. Might as well just finish it off properly. So, what do you think? That's from AliExpress. It was about $60, and that included postage. there's two options. There's the orange in the anodized, and then there's the black. This one was cheaper. I thought I'd just match the orange frame of the bike. So there you go. One of the last few finishing touches completed on this bike build. Enjoy. See you guys. Bye. Bonus tip. Wash the bike part in the sink. Just don't tell the wife. I did clean this out with WD-40 prior to putting it in the sink. But there you go. And then you just box all the parts that you've taken, you box all the original parts you've taken off your bike and just put them away. And in due time, when you sell the bike, at least you can say, look, I've got all the original parts, and it helps with the sale. So there you go, guys. That's tip number 2. Enjoy.